what is being constructed in Zimbabwe security establishment right now is the opposite of that. It is a monoculture, and the monocultures in agriculture and in military institutions alike are catastrophically vulnerable. Zarabina Mashoko, Nas Otogwa, Na General, Mapranga, don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The question of loyalty and its price. There is a lesson here that every young officer the ZDF is absorbing right now, whether anyone intends them to or not. The lesson is this: the most dangerous thing you can do in this institution is be genuinely powerful, genuinely loyal, and genuinely irreplaceable, because those qualities will eventually make you a threat in the eyes of those who prefer compliance over capability. Chiwenga was all three of those things, and he is now experiencing the consequences of having been all three of those things. That lesson, absorbed quietly by every ambitious officer watching this unfold, will shape the ZDF's leadership culture, a generation not for the better. I do not know what the coming months hold. I am an old man who has seen this pattern before in the country and in others. I know how these stories tend to end. I know what happens when the coalition that built a political moment begins to consume itself. I know what it looks like when the man who carried the gun at the gun that opened the door is later locked outside that same door. It does not end well. It does not end well for the individuals involved, and it does not end well for the country that has to live through the consequences. General Chiwenga delivered a second republic, delivered in 2017, whatever one thinks of that moment, and I have my own views on it. He delivered it at a personal cost that is now becoming fully visible. He deserves better than what is being done to him. The institution deserves better than what is being done to it, and Zimbabwe deserves leadership that remembers where it came from and honors the covenants that brought it to power. Retired Lieutenant General Winston Skauke Mapranga ndio mashikano ya vachisaina mzarana asipina kuma section medu za funga enyi marudi kumsuru kuchitu kuichi. Wewa subscribe wala ya kautamba biwa ya kwa.